Hey guys, yeah, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so this problem is called LRU Cache. This problem is very difficult, but if you use Python, then there is a shortcut that you can solve this. So let's do it. So LRU Cache basically initializes the LRU Cache with so this is called least reason used. Okay, so very technical. So you have a cache and a capacity. So that means this capacity can only it's the upper bound. And you have get key, return the value of key if the key exists, otherwise return -1. And you can put key and the value if the value exists. If the key exists, you need to update. Otherwise, that and if it exists the capacity, then you need to delete the least use. So this is very difficult. Okay, so and run O1 in average case. Okay, so for example, this is an example. So you initialize, and the 2 is the capacity, and you put 1 and then you put 2 and then you get. So once you get, you will get 1, right? So so key is 1, you get 1. So now 2 will. So now 2 be the least used, right? Okay, so now this is a key point, right? Because let's see, right? So remember that so in the beginning 1 is in the between in the first step and the second, and then you get 1 right? So once you get 1 then 1 become the okay. So let me just put this array. So this is the least use, right? This is the reason use. Okay, so 1 become reason use. Okay, and then you put, so now you put 3 right? And you get 3 right? But so you get 3 which let me just put here. But the 3 is already larger than the capacity. So all you need, you need to delete the 2. Okay. Now you get, and you put 2. Sorry, let's see. You get you get 2. You get 2, it become -1, right? Because 2 already delete, and then you put 4, right? You put 4, so you want to put 4 here, right? You put 4 here, right? But now you already have 3 elements, so 1 get deleted. Okay, so once you get 1, you get -1 return. Okay, so the problem is that you need O1, right? So the idea what we gonna to use is there's a thing called order dictionary in Python. So the only difference in the usual dictionary or the dictionary is that this order dictionary will remember the order of the key. So when you add key, then you will maintain order. And it has 2 properties. That the first is pop item. So the pop item will, if you do not do anything, then it will return the last in first out. So it will return the last element. Okay, and if you return true, then we'll kill the first element. So basically, it's like the order dictionary, right? Which your dictionary has sorted, and you can use these pop items to delete the first or second, right? So this is exactly what we're gonna to use. Okay, and then there's a guy called move to end, right? So which is very powerful. That so move to end is that you can move at least this key to the end. Okay, so this which is a dictionary but the order. Okay. So that's capacity just initialize and define cache to be order dictionary. Let's say get. So if key is not in cache, then return -1, right? This is trivial. If key is in cache, then you should return a key, right? But you need to remember, you need to pull it to be the reason use. So you need to put to the end. Let's say the end is a reason use. So you need to self cache move to the end. Okay. Okay, and you put you just update the value, and you need to move this key to the end, right? Because now it becomes the reason use. And if length is greater than the capacity, you need to kill the first guy, right? To kill the first guy, use a pipe item and the last false. Okay, so this is the kill so it should be the evit the least reason use key, right? So this is very simple. That if you know the order list, you can Yeah, I mean, if you do not use Python, then you need to use a dictionary and a linked list and combine everything. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, see you guys next videos.